Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, then hi, my name is Payal. In this video, I'm going to talk about a clay mask which is a bliss for oily and acne skin people. This is not only a clay mask which has an activated charcoal in it, it is sulfate, paraben, sulfate free and has no mineral oil, and it is not even tested on animals. Sounds like a dream, isn't it? But trust me, it's not. It is there, and the product I'm talking about today is from the brand Oriental Botanics, and this one is their activated charcoal 3-in-1 clay mask. Now the product comes into a packaging like this, and it claims that it is pure detoxifying, whitening and refreshing. I'm not there for whitening, but yes, rest too really gravitates me towards the mask. Now talking about the price of this one is 449 rupees for 100 grams, and it claims that it is a pore minimizer which is removes gently oil, dirt and toxin, helps compact blackheads and shrink pores, purifies and detoxifies skin brightening rather than whitening. Over here they have mentioned brightening, that is vitamin C imparts a visibly smooth and youthful brighter complexion, and freshness cooling menthol gives instant refreshing experience. Let's just dig into the product itself. Voila, doesn't it look so luxurious? Before starting with my experience and how I like to use the product, let me just tell you what ingredients it has. It has regenerate and revitalize your skin with innovative 3-in-1 clay mask with activated charcoal, kaolin clay, bentonite clay combined with vitamin C, E, B3, B5 and menthol for that perfect glowing and refreshed feeling. Now let's just talk about the jar itself. As you guys can see, it has a feeling of black and gold, which I really like. Gives me very luxury kind of a feel. And it is made from a plastic, but that too a very heavy duty one, because you can feel it, it's really heavy. Now as you open it, you can see there is a lid, which is like, for me it's like safety, which will protect your product from getting contaminated. That's what I feel like. And I like to use this product with my fingers. I don't like to use it with a brush, because if I use it with a brush, then the consistency on my face goes really thick, so which is what I don't like. So I like to use it with my fingers. Now let me just show you the product itself. Firstly, it smells so refreshing to me. It smells so refreshing. As you guys can see, this is the consistency of the product, that is quite thick. That means a little will go a long way. You don't have to, until unless you want it to be thick onto your face. I'm fine with taking a little bit amount and just spreading it onto my face. I'm fine with that. And let me just tell you how I like to use this product. I like to use this product in the night. Every night I'm using it for like almost 10 to 11 days. Every night I'm using this product, and I have seen the difference. But before that, let me just tell you how I like to use it. I clean my face, I clean it with the warm water, and then just towel dry it and apply this mask and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then again clean it with the cold water and pat it dry with a towel and let it get settled, and followed by my night skin routine. I am so amazed with this product. The moment you use it for the first time, you can actually see a difference in terms of how mattifies it leaves your skin, which is like what I look for when it comes to face masks, because I'm an oily skin person. So this is what has actually stand out. And apart from that, if you use it very regularly, you can actually see a difference in terms of your pigmentations, acne pigmentations I'm talking about. You can actually see, and you will hardly burst into acne, which is yay for me. One more thing I would like to talk about is that whenever I see a activated charcoal mask, I have seen that it is usually a peel mask, which really hurts me because I have facial hair. So that's something which I try to avoid, because I like the benefits, but it's so painful that I really don't want to take a risk, and my skin becomes so red because it's so sensitive, it cannot take that pain. But when I used it, I was so amazed. I was like, really, it's possible? And I am constantly asking my husband to try it, though he's not. He's like, okay, I'll try now and then, and here he's just saying that, though I'm thinking to do it tonight, and I'll just share his thought in the comment section as well. But I'm so amazed with this. If you people are actually looking and planning to buy a mask which has activated charcoal, and even if you are an oily or acne skin person, go ahead and buy this product. Trust me, you will be amazed. And what I'll be doing is that I'll be sharing the link where you can make a purchase, and you can thank me over here in the comment section. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed my small review. And do share it with your friends who have oily or acne skin, or who are suffering with pimples. Just share it. Trust me, it will be helpful. And do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All links are there in the description box. In case you like the look I'm carrying right now, then my next upload is where I'll be getting ready and creating this look. So don't forget to hit that bell icon in order to be notified for my next upload. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.